Welcome back to this class. So this is corrections to quiz on common logarithm that I gave you. So we're going to start with the first one. The first question we have there is on standard form. So in standard form, you want to express this in standard form. So that means you're going to have it to be 5.62 times 10 raised power. We moved it 1, 2, 3 raised power minus 3. 5.62 raised power minus 3. That is the first one. All right, the second question here. So this is where we're going to work. Uh, so we're going to have this. So we're going to have a number and a log. So the number we have here is 0.00692. So the characteristics we have there is bar 3. We've talked about that already. So what we're going to check now, you check 69 under 2. Please make sure the table you are checking is named logarithms of numbers. So logarithm of what? Number. Logarithms of number. Then 69 under 2. 69 under 2. That gives us 38388. 69 under 2. That is 8401. 8401. So that's what we have there. So you can see that it is 4 roots. 4 roots. So that means we are dividing by 4. We're dividing by what? Divided by what? 4. So when you have it this way, what are you meant to do? So this by 3, we want to have a number that we can add to this because 4 cannot go in 3, right? So we're going to say 4 bar 4 plus 1. We are still saying thing by 3 because 4 can go in 4. So in that case, we're going to say bar 4.8401. So let's now divide it now. So 4 in 4 is 1. That is bar 1, all right? Because we cannot have negative bar. Exactly. So that's what we're having it. So minus 1 point. So 1 and 8 will then come together. So 4 in 18 is 4. Remainder 2. In 24 is 6. In 0 is 0. And in this is 0. This is what we're going to have. So the next stage is now to find the antilog. So antilog 46. So make sure that what you are checking is antilog. Antilog is 46. 46 under 0. 46 under 0 gives us 2884. 2884. So that is not all. This is not our answer. You can see we have 1.4600 in our option. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. So the answer is between this and this. Now what we have here is bar 1. Bar 1 means minus 1. In ordinary, we are going to add 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will give us what? 0. So which we are going to count 0. That is 0 point. So the answer will then be what? This one. So if Ken is not taking, you miss it. So that is that on this one. Then the third one is under multiplication. We are going to do the same thing. We have number, we have log. So the number is 0 0.7, 0.0. So that is 0.07392. So what we have here is going to be bar 2. That's characteristics. Then we check 73 under 2. Under 9. 73 under 9. 73 under 9. That is 86. 86. 86. 86. Difference 2. Difference 2 is 1. That would be 86, 87. 86, 87. Then what we have is roots raised to power 4. So that is going to multiply by 4. So we then have this. We multiply now. So let's multiply it. So 4 times 7 is 28. We carry to 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2, 34. We carry 3. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3, 27. We carry 2. 4 times 8, 32, that is 34. We write 4, we carry 3 again. 4 times minus 2, that's minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3, that's going to be what? Minus 5, that's about 5. So that is not all. So we're not going to have, we're going to check antilog. We go to antilog table. So we now check 47 under 4. So 47 under 4 now, is it showing? Right? So 47 under 4. 47 under 4, that is 2979. 2979. Difference 8. Difference 8 is 5. Then we add it at the last digits. We have 4, 8, 9, 2. So we highlight it here. 2, 9, 2, 9, 8, 4. All right, so this will then be, so since we have minus 5 here, so minus 5, then plus 1 will give us 4. So which means we're going to have 4 zeros. That's going to be, we're going to count 0, 0, 0, points, this. So that is what we're going to have there. So 0 0.00302984. I can say that this is typo error from the typist. So this is the answer for this question number 3. Then question number 4. Question 4 now. So this will be in two forms. So we're going to have like this. Let's have this. So let's have the number here, then log. So other calculation will do there. So we have 2.067. So this will give us 0 points. So you now check 20 under 6. 20 under 6, that is 3139. 3139. So 20 under 6, 3139, difference 7. Difference 7. Difference 7 is 15. So we add 15 to this. So this will give us 4, 5, 1, 3. So this will give us 3, 1, 5, 4. So since that is the only one we have as the numerator, we can move it to this place, 0.3154. So we go to the denominator now. So the first number we have there, we can close this one, is 0.0348. Is that clear? So this will give us about 2 points. All right. So we then check 34 under 8. 34 under 8. 34 under 8 is 5416. 5416. All right. So then the next one we have there is 0.538. So this will give you about 1 point. So check 53 under 8. 53 under 8. That is 7308. 7308. So 08. Then what we have between them is times. So we're going to add this together. So this will give us 14. This will give us 2. All right. So this will give us 7. All right. This will give us 12. So this minus 3 plus 1, that's going to be minus 2. About 2. So this will then be taken to the other side. So we take this to the other side, which is going to be about 2.2724. Now, what we have between the two is division, right? So we're going to subtract here. As well, we're going to do subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 7, we have to take 1 from here. So this will give us 11. So this will give us 4. This remains 2 minus 2, that is 0. 0 minus minus 2, that gives us 2. Or minus minus plus, right? So we are done with that one. So the next is square root. So the square root will affect this. And that is we are dividing by 2. I hope I'm making sense. So we're dividing by 2. So divide by 2. So we're going to start, 2 can go in 2, that is 1 point. And this is 0. And 4, that is 2. And 3, that is 1. Remember 1 and 10, that is 5. So it now remains antilog. So we check our antilog now. We check the antilog. So we're going to take 0 to under 1. 0 to under 1. That gives us 10, 10, 50. 10, 50. Difference 5. Difference 5. That is 1. So that will be 1051. 1051. So what you have there is 1. So we're going to add 1 to this. That will give us 2. So we then count 1, 2 at decimal point. That will be the answer will be 10.51. So that is this one. I believe this is very clear to us.